morning. It's Sunday and we're cleaning up plus making breakfast, and then we're gonna go to Gent and then we're gonna go home. So the best thing ever is just to wake up, take a shower and see that the table is already gedekt in het Engels. Wat is gedekt?
You're lazy.
Gedekt.
Gedekt. The table is already gedekt. So they already made food. Nice.
And all nice people besides yourself.
And he's making orange juice. The way they used to do it in the Middle Ages. They are going by motorcycle. So yesterday we got a little bit lost and we had to drive through muddy places. So this is how my car looks. And I washed it like 4 days ago. Say bye house.
Bye house.
Before we leave, it is a national holiday in Belgium, and normally on Sundays the stores are closed. There drives Julian. Normally the stores are closed on Sundays, but because it's a national holiday there is a big festival, a lot of parties, a lot of concerts outside, and we're just gonna check it out. As you can see, we have arrived in Gent. I mean, these two are so sappy.
No,
it's disgusting. Well, they can't stop touching each other. Even after 8 years, 9 years, they are still like this. It's like we are in a lost city that no one has discovered yet. Except cars. No one is here. I mean, where are all the people? So we bought a ticket for a boat tour. What are we going to do?
Ride a boat.
Ride a boat? Right. Some of us wanted to kayak, but some of us are too lazy.
So Belgium is gonna take that boat over there. They're just waiting for her. It's a trash boat.
Oh. Thanks.
Hey, wasn't there this Snapchat channel called Coincidentally?
I don't know. Was there?
Yeah.
This boat ride includes free ice cream. Free Magnum.
She's like, why do you zoom in so much? I'm her cameraman. Hey, Jimmy, what do you think?
About what?
About this being zooming into her face?
I like it. Okay.
So you're a Turkish superstar now.
I am.
BG. Ask him.
What can you say more? What more words do you know? He knows how to say bread?
Ekmek.
Probably has in your hand. And pass on the mountain.
They're using my bag as a garbage can.
And together, this place used to be an important harbor. Today, small city, very small. Only 250,000 people live here. But it's known for its student activities. There's many students here.
Are you sad this weekend is over?
Yes.
Are you sad?
No, I'm so sad.
I don't have to see you for a while.
So sad.